With the unpredictable extreme weather here in East Texas, there's never a good time for your heating or cooling unit to fail. Nacogdoches Sheet Metal and Plumbing has factory-authorized technicians standing by. We can help prevent an unpleasant surprise with one of our preventative maintenance packages or with a new Carrier high-efficiency heating and cooling unit. Visit us online or like us on Facebook for valuable discounts. Nacogdoches Sheet Metal and Plumbing.
Serving East Texas since 1963.
Yeah!